Let's do another drip dose. The order this time is for epinephrine, 3 micrograms per minute. We have 1 milligram in 250 milliliters of fluid, and we're using a 60 drop set. We don't need our patient weight since this isn't weight-based, so we can skip step 1. We already know our dose. It's 3 micrograms per minute. So my want is 3. We have to figure our concentration, just like we did last time. So I'm going to divide 1 by 250. When I divide 1 by 250, I get 0.004 milligrams per milliliter. I have to convert it to a common unit because micrograms was my dose ordered up here. So to do that, I'm going to move my decimal point 3 places to the right. 1, 2, 3. That becomes 4 micrograms per milliliter. So my dose was 3. I have 4. Using our math, 3 divided by 4 times 60 is 45 drops per minute.